Here at GSX, Hanwha has a large lineup of cameras in different families. We have our X series, Q series, P series, and our T series. Those meet different vertical applications, different form factors, and different feature sets. That being said, one of the big themes is extending AI, providing the AI functionalities for object detection, increasing your operational efficiencies. One of the pieces that's been an issue in the industry is leveraging your existing infrastructure, as well as not wanting to change out your entire facility all at once. So we've launched a new product, our AI box, which allows you to take those existing cameras, bring them onto an edge device that then adds that intelligence of AI. So it allows you to do your object detection. It allows you to do your analytics to be able to better manage your retail operations, your efficiency, city surveillance, looking at vehicles, all the things that our cameras can do. It's bringing that to your existing infrastructure and allowing you to do an easy migration to that intelligence right into your VMS.